Wednesday, October 2025, 6:34 p.m. This is my I'm just doing a recap for today's trade. I took 2 trades today. USD card took me out, and EURAUD TP was hit. So this is a 1 hour time frame, and this the trade right here. You can see at first it was today already. We got this bearish engulfing candle right here. Previously already EMA touch, but this was today. So if you look at the time down here, the time will be showing around 4 a.m. That was our first entry signal, bearish engulfing. So we're waiting for a pullback. EMA touch, so price push to the downside, rest on this 4 hours resistance level. It was a support level, then rested on it, pushed to the upside, break. When it break, it become a resistance level, but at first it was a support, 4 hour support level, push back to the upside, touching the EMA, trigger my entry. That's it right there, because of this bullish engulfing right here. That's it. That's what happened 1 hour chart. And before that, if you look there, the previous day, that was Tuesday, you'll see that it was bearish engulfing, touch of EMA, price push to the downside. But since it was late at night, price didn't have the volume to push market to the downside. This is another around 11 p.m. yesterday, another bearish engulfing. So already we have 2 bearish engulfing at this level, touching the EMA. Here again we had 3rd bearish engulfing. So I knew that if price is coming back to retest this EMA, it's going to be an entry. So price came back, retest, it was an entry, but the market did not move from there. Instead, price pushed to the upside, came back again, giving us another year. Time was already, was London session, time was already 9 a.m. London session had opened already. So price gave us again another bearish engulfing candle, and what happened? Price pushed to the downside, then pull back to the upside, almost retesting that EMA right there, almost retesting this EMA right there. So for someone who was not already in this trade, this retest at this level was supposed to be the person entry. Or if I was not already on this trade, this retest right here was supposed to be my entry. It was supposed to be my entry. And after that, price started moving. I closed 1:3. I think 1:3.5, if I'm not making a mistake. I knew that price is going to move, give us about 1:6 or more, based on my strategy. Anytime I'm right, price, majority of the time, if anytime that I'm right, price always move 1:6, 1:4, 1:5, 1:6. Recently, price moving 1:6, always. So I closed 3.4, and price end up moving 1:6.7. That's it right there. And initially I really wanted to close 1:4, but because of what happened last week, I thought about it and I said, let me not be greedy. So that was that for today's trade, and you can see there was our weekly support level right there. If you look right up, that's our weekly resistance level. Price has pushed and come down, and everything was just aligning at this point to push price to the downside. So that's that for today's trade. EURAUD.